Viral marketing is a type of marketing that uses social media and other online platforms to spread a message or idea quickly and widely. It is based on the idea that people are more likely to share content that they find interesting or entertaining with their friends and followers. There are many different types of viral marketing campaigns, but some of the most common include social media campaigns. These campaigns use social media platforms to spread a message or idea. They can be very effective, as they can reach a large number of people quickly and easily. Email campaigns. These campaigns use email to spread a message or idea. They can be effective, but they can also be more difficult to get people to open and read. Video campaigns. These campaigns use videos to spread a message or idea. They can be very effective, as they can be both visually appealing and informative. Viral marketing can be a very effective way to reach a large number of people quickly and easily. However, it is important to remember that not all viral marketing campaigns are successful. In order to be successful, a viral marketing campaign must be creative, engaging, and relevant to the target audience. There is no one-size-fits-all formula for creating viral content, but there are some general tips that you can follow to increase your chances of success. 1. Start with a great idea. Your content should be something that people will find interesting, entertaining, or informative. It should also be something that is relevant to your target audience. 2. Make it visually appealing. People are more likely to share content that is visually appealing. Use high-quality images and videos, and make sure your content is easy to read and understand. 3. Keep it short and sweet. People have short attention spans, so make sure your content is concise and to the point. 4. Make it easy to share. Include social sharing buttons on your content, and make sure it is easy to share on mobile devices. 5. Promote your content. Once you have created your content, don't just sit back and wait for it to go viral. Promote your content on social media, email, and other online platforms. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of creating viral content that will reach a large audience. There are many different ways to measure the success of your viral marketing campaign. Some of the most common metrics include reach. This metric measures how many people have seen your content. It can be measured by the number of views, impressions, or shares. Engagement. This metric measures how engaged people are with your content. It can be measured by the number of likes, comments, or shares. Conversions. This metric measures how many people have taken a desired action after seeing your content. It can be measured by the number of sales, leads, or sign-ups. It is important to track your results so that you can see what is working and what is not. This will help you to improve your campaigns over time. In addition to these quantitative metrics, you should also track qualitative metrics such as brand awareness and sentiment. This will help you to understand how your campaign is impacting your brand. By tracking your results and making adjustments based on what you learn, you can increase the success of your viral marketing campaigns.